Automated measurements are at the heart of Image Pro. Designed as a simple and reproducible process, anyone can achieve results easily and consistently by following our simple three-stage workflow. Built on machine learning technologies, these three stages provide a simple solution for complex samples that is flexible enough to adapt to your evolving analysis requirements. Smart segmentation. Measure, classify. Unlike other systems, Image Pro's smart segmentation empowers users to easily create personalized recipes for complex images. Users begin by isolating one or more reference objects using regions of interest to progressively build a recipe of object characteristics. Smart segmentation considers many of the object's characteristics before automatically isolating structures in the image with similar characteristics. Not only does this vastly simplify the segmentation process over other methods, it is also a highly flexible system that will address the most complex segmentation, as well as adapt to slight variations across specimen types, sample preparation, and assay results. Smart segmentation is also a trainable learning algorithm that can be easily refined with successive images by simply selecting additional areas of interest for the objects or the background. While training across additional images, Image Pro maintains a running total of all objects, so it is clear how the changes will impact the final results. The highly flexible nature of smart segmentation allows for adjustment between images in a set. As some structures may not be ubiquitous throughout the sample, one image may not be representative of the whole experiment. Smart segmentation may be updated or adjusted with new inputs that are refined from additional images to correctly analyze the entire set. Image Pro uses machine learning to continuously refine the selections by the customer optimizing the smart segmentation stage. In some instances, structures may be difficult to isolate due to little differentiation between the objects of interest and the background of the sample. To further assist in targeting specific structures of interest within the sample, users can limit the scope of the analysis by targeting objects of interest using one or many regions of interest. This can assist in providing a specific location for smart segmentation to focus on during the first few stages. Once isolating structures, the next stage of our process is to identify one or more measurements that will best fit your application data requirements. Measurements have been organized by the types and classified into categories. This vastly simplifies the measurement parameter selection and reduces the complexity that can occur with other packages. Image Pro provides an interactive object distribution histogram that allows the user to select a range or series of parameter ranges that can be set manually by the user or automatically by Image Pro. In either method, the ranges set can be used to filter the population of objects based on the measurement requirements. Should some objects need to be excluded from the selection, filter ranges can be easily set based on shape, size, color, and intensity. Further refining the specificity of the filtered results to the original objects of interest is done to optimize the results. After determining the population of objects, a third refinement stage is available to classify the objects. Classifying the objects into categories allows the user to statistically report on groups of structures rather than individual objects, and by doing so, develop more meaningful results. Image Pro will auto-classify objects based on a measurement or several measurements from the previous stage. Learning classification, a machine learning-based method, can isolate populations of objects based on small morphometric or intensity differences to correctly assign and classify the objects. The power of Image Pro can easily be engaged for your analysis by implementing the three stages: smart segmentation, measure, classify. For specific information regarding your application, explore the industry pages for recommended solutions. Image Pro, taking you from images to answers.